Dennis.
A beauty without words, like a flower without fragrance. A pleasant evening to each and everyone. My name is MJ Amir in real life. A 16-year-old student from Holy Angel University and taking up the course under the College of Business and Accountancy. Major in Marketing Management. And tonight, please do allow me to hold and carry the image of the one and only. Ang babaeng laging pinapasukan at nilalabasan, at ang babaeng tinaguriang isa sa pinakamagandang lagusan. Bakit hindi po natin sabay-sabay palakpakan si Binibining Sam Pinto?